sa iyong naging karanasan bilang bank manager at government agencies ang tinatransact, gaya ng natanong namin kanina ng ilang mga senador, normal ba yung pag-withdraw ng 37 million cash sa inyong branch?
With Land Bank DepEd po, for government agencies, ano siya, unusual po ang amount ng pag-withdraw.
So unusual.
Yes,
At
sir.
unusual dahil ano ang usual na masasabing transaksyon for government agencies?
For DepEd, sir?
Yes.
For DepEd, parang nagre-range lang ng mga nasa... I'm not sure masyado, sir, pero parang mga 10, mga nasa ganoon lamang.
10 million cash.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so yung 37 is almost 4 times more than the usual.
Yes, sir.
And other government agencies, ganun din ba? 10 million o mas mababa?
With Land Bank DepEd po,
No, other government agencies. Yes, in Land Bank DepEd branch.
With Land Bank DepEd, si DepEd lang naman po kasi ang
so-
aming government agency ng hawak.
Okay. Yung 37 million, ilang years ka na sa...
34 years, sir.
So in your 34 years, was this the first time you had to deal with 37 million cash 3 times in a period of 3 quarters?
With other government
No,
agencies?
with the DepEd.
With the DepEd, no, sir. Para ngayon lang po yung time na may encashment na ganun kalaki.
So this is the first time for you to experience that kind of cash
Yes.
transaction.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And not in the DepEd, you were also manager in other DepEd, in other land bank branches?
Yes, sir.
So in other land bank branches, when you were the manager, would you say the same, that walang ganyang kalaking mga transaksyon ang ibang mga government agencies involving cash?
Meron naman po.
Which government agencies would this be?
Your Honor, baka may violation ako ng bank secrecy law if I mention.
Well, hindi siguro, pero hindi mo naman babanggitin yung amounts at yung bank account number, just the agency. And I'm not asking for a specific amount, just which agencies may have transacted in huge amounts.
I really
Well,
can't.
suffice it to say that what you're saying is, in your previous experience, it has happened, pero dito sa DepEd, it has never happened. In DepEd,
Yes, sir.
Land Bank. Okay, wala na po akong ibang tanong. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Senator Judge Kiko. Senator Judge Risa Ontiveros is recognized for her interjections. You may proceed, ma'am, when you're ready. You have 2 minutes.
Salamat po, Mr. Presiding Officer. Madam Witness, sabi nyo nga unusual na makapag-withdraw ng 37.5 million pesos in cash sa isang araw at karaniwan ay 10 million pesos. So, halos isang kaapat lang nung halagang yun. Ano po yung naisip ninyo nung winidraw nila yung ganyang kalaking halaga?
Wala naman po. Wala naman.
At sinabi po ba nila sa inyo kung para saan yung 37.5 million pesos in cash na iyon?
No, Your Honor.
Hindi rin. Okay. Nung 2023, 112.5 million pesos po ang nirelease ng inyong branch sa Department of Education na pinamunuan noon ni Vice Presidente. At binanggit nyo po kanina, 2 bag each time. Each of those 3 times ang ginamit. Naaalala nyo po ba kung gano'ng kalaki yung mga bag na yon?
Hindi po. Parang 2 bags pero I'm not sure.
At bilang branch manager po, paano nyo sinigurado na aprobado ni Vice President Sara na secretary noon? Paano nyo siniguradong aprobado niya yung mga transaksyong iyon na ganung halaga at in cash sa bawat araw, 3 beses.
As approved ni BP Sara po
Yes,
ang
paano nyo
transactions.
sinigurado iyon?
Dumaan po kasi yan sa sa DBM. Kasi DBM, approve ng DBM po yan. Na-release po ang pondo ni BTR. Mayroon po yung advice and pirmado po ng mga authorized signatories ng DepEd.
Okay. So, dumaan sa DBM hanggang makarating po sa inyo yung mga cheque, ganung halaga, in cash, ini-encash nga po, and then inilalabas sa branch nyo sa tigalawang bag. Pero nananatili yung impression nyo na unusual yung ganyang kahalaking halaga na 37.5 million pesos at in cash, hindi po in checks.
Unusual yung 37.5 po.
So nananatiling para sa inyo, unusual yung halagang 37.5 billion pesos dahil halos times 4 nung usual na sinabi nyong 10 million pesos at most.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. Salamat, Madam Witness. Salamat po, Mr.
Thank you,
Presiding
Honorable
Officer.
Ontiveros. Senator Judge Marcos is recognized for your interjection. Thereafter, Senator Judge Villanueva. Thereafter, the Senate President. And thereafter, Senator Judge Rafi Tulfo. You may proceed when you're ready, ma'am. You have 2 minutes.
Yes, just clarifying po, Ms. Camposano. You mentioned doon sa House Blue Ribbon, tinitignan ko nga yung transcript at kanina nabanggit ninyo na unusual for government agencies including yung DepEd na mag-withdraw ng malalaking halagang katulad nito. Pero doon sa Blue Ribbon, sinabi po ninyo na not only private clients but government clients go to your branch. So pinaliwanag po ninyo, tama po? Tapos, nag-testify rin kayo nung tinanong kayo ni Congresswoman Garin, is this a regular occurrence? Ang sabi po ninyo, yes, ma'am. So, ibig sabihin, hindi siya unusual, regular occurrence. Alin po ba? Kasi later on, sinabi din ninyo, nabasa ko lang sa transcript, not DepEd only, but with all of our clients. Anong tinutukoy po ninyo doon? Kasi nakakalito kung unusual ba ito o regular, katulad na nabanggit ninyo sa House.
With all due respect, Your Honor, may I be recognized?
What is the pleasure of the Honorable Cho?
Your Honor, we would just like to request for the TSN so that our witness will be confronted with the TSN that is being mentioned by the Honorable Amy Marcos.
If she remembers, by the way, Senator Judge Marcos, it's the Senate, it's the House Good Government Committee.
Yes, it's
not the Blue Ribbon Committee.
This is the Good Government Committee of the House. I believe it was in November of 2024, similar to what was mentioned earlier with Ms. Constantino. In her case, I had the hard copy, page 122. On November 26 of 2024. I only have the soft copy of this one. I'm happy to show it. But yun nga, palagay ko November din to magkakasabay yung land bank nun
If the witness knows and recalls, she may answer.
Naalala po ba ninyo yung pagtanong ni Congresswoman Garin tungkol dito na is this a regular occurrence? At yung biglaan ninyong sagot, yes ma'am.
Kung yan po yung sinasabing normal, the
Opo.
usual lamang po ang pag-withdraw ng malalaking amount sa branch.
Yes, ang verbatim po, and is this a regular occurrence, ma'am? Ito ba ay pangkaraniwan na pangyayari itong 37.5 o iyong malalaking amount na ine-encash? Ang sagot ni Ms. Camposano sa House Good Government, yes, ma'am. So, ang sabi ni Representative Garin, so pangkaraniwan pala ito. Ayun.
Yes, Your Honor.
Nais ninyong paliwanag po? Kasi iba ito kesa sa sinabi ninyo kanina.
Ang sinasabi ko po nung sa House ay ang malalaking withdrawal po ay usual lang. Hindi siya unusual sa branch. May both private and government. Nagwi-withdraw po siya. May mga malaki pong withdrawals.
So may malalaki talagang withdrawal na nagiging regular occurrence at paminsan-minsan, whether private or public, yan ang ginagawa sa branch po ninyo. Kaya nga lang, hihingi kayo ng cash allotment kasi hindi naman
Yes.
kayo nagtatago ng ganun
Yes, Your
kadami
Honor.
sa branch. Tama
Opo.
po. So
Opo.
regular po, not unusual. Tama po ba?
Not unusual siya sa Department of Education dahil during my time, yun lang po yung malaking withdrawal ni Department of Education.
Yes, okay. Pero nangyayari po. Maraming salamat, yun lang po.
Thank you, Senator Judge Marcos. Senator Judge Villanueva is recognized. You may proceed, sir. When you're ready, you have 2 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. President. Madam Witness, how long have you been the Land Bank DepEd branch manager?
Land Bank DepEd Manager, sir. Nahandun po ako ng May 2022 and hanggang September 2024. So mga 2 years, more or less. 24.
Tinanong ko po yan dahil ang kaibahan niyo po doon sa isang bank manager, kayo, yung land bank po ng DepEd ay nandun po mismo sa compound ng DepEd. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Kanina po binanggit yung unusual at ano yung usual. Ang sinasabi niyo po bang unusual lamang ay yung DepEd ang nag-withdraw ng cash na ganitong kalaki. Ngunit sa ibang departamento, nakakapag-withdraw sila ng malalaking salapi, kagaya po nung binanggit nyo kanina.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ito po kaya ay dahil ang DepEd nitong mga taon na binanggit ay nagkaroon ng confidential funds. Is that a correct statement?
Hindi ko po alam. Your
Hindi nyo po alam. Tama
Yes.
po, dahil hindi nyo naman inaalam kung saan po ito. No? Ang trabaho nyo lang po ay, nabanggit nyo nga ho kanina, ang DBM ang nagpo-provide ng funding at ang ahensya naman ang nag-authorize ng disbursement. Ang trabaho nyo lang po talaga ay to verify and pay the corresponding instrument.
Yes, sir.
At yun po yung inyong ginawa.
Opo.
At tingin nyo po walang pagkakamali kayong ginawa, lahat po ay legitimate, lahat po ay proper.
Yes, sir.
Comparing po doon sa previous administration, bago po nagkaroon ng confidential funds, wala pong ganitong kalaki na wini-withdraw ang Department of Education. Is that correct?
During my time, wala po.
Kaya po nabanggit nyo na unusual.
Yes, sir.
Dito po sa pay naman no ng individual officer as